here, we're now. It's 2012, we're starting off fresh. And this is my friend Topher. He's got this nice ass blue Mercedes right over there. We're here, and this is our first meet in 2012. As you can see, it's good with quality cars. Quality, not quantity, that's what we go by. And no means yes. I hope you like everything you see here. This is what it's all about, and we're here to take it off the chain and down. YouTube, Vimeo.
Peace out.
Everything.
See you guys. Look at your
Check us
custom.
out.
Cut.
My milkshake brings